Hi guys, welcome back to GRA Cuts. In today's video, I'm going to do a gardening video and it is about how you can plant an orchid in an eco-friendly way. So let's get started. So if you're new to my channel, I would request you guys to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. That's it. You're good to go. These are the pots that we created to plant orchid and it is purely eco-friendly way except the threads. Now let's get into the first step of preparation of the eco-friendly pot. I would be using coconut shield for this one. Now there are few items that I want you to understand. A coconut shield have a thick and a thin part. From outside it may look like rounded and pointed. So we have to try to open the coconut shield from the pointed area because rounded part will have lots of coconut husk, which is very useful for this kind of gardening. Now let's look into this area. I have opened using pointed end and you can find lots of husk in the bottom part. I'm going to secure it with a thread so that the sides don't fall apart. Can you see the thicker end? Now that is very useful to hold lots of water for the orchids. Here I have opened the coconut shell using the rounder part, so you can see the top end is having nice thicker area, and I have painted the outer shells using the normal paint, and to hold water and other materials I have put a coconut shell inside it. Now let's see what goes inside the pot. First I'm taking coconut husk cut into small pieces, then little coal. This was directly taken from my mom's garden. And the last part is broken bricks. If you do not have brick pieces, you may use stone, but I would prefer you to use the brick pieces. Now here, because I'm using the rounded part on the topper end, I'm adding a coconut shell inside it with a hole in it. I hope you are able to see it. Now let's see how to plant the orchid. So the first step is I'm adding the broken husk pieces inside it. A handful would be enough, and I'm just going to shake it a little bit so that it settles down even. After this I'm going to add the small stones or the bricks, small bricks, followed by coal. So if you have bigger pieces like this, I would ask you to crush it so that it fits inside and it goes out evenly inside like a surface. So this is how it looks once the materials are added. Just going to add a few more. Now when it comes to planting orchid, you have to see that there is some sort of growth like this, and that should be pointing towards the upside when you plant it inside the pot. So this is the plant that I'm using here, which was directly taken from one of the orchid which is already grown in my house. So you can see there will be a growth, so you have to cut it and you have to add it. So once the plant is placed, I'm going to add the shell part again, the husk, and I'm going to fill it almost 70% of the pot. Again adding the coal. So this is my dad who is been doing this kind of gardening for almost a year, and I figured it out that it was very eco-friendly, so I wanted you guys to give a try. So once the plant is placed, I'm going to put little water. So once you are in this video you can see that my dad is pouring water very nicely. So this will last for many days. So you do not have to pour it again and again. All you need to do is spray once in a while and you are good to go. This is my little helper who is asking whether she can plant in that one. Okay, so that's it guys. So I'm going to use a plastic thread which I have bought it from a store. to hang it like this. So that is the only plastic thing that I have used in this video. If you live in a place where you do not have access to coconut shells like this, here is the other alternatives. You can take a black cover like this and plant it exactly the way I said earlier and tie it to the tree. So once the orchid starts growing, the roots will be directly attached to the tree and you can remove the plastic shields. If you do not want to do that, you can use bottles and you can color it. These are the final looks of orchid from my garden. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, I would really request you guys to try it out. And do not forget, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.